Let's talk about our Rad.io pocket. This pocket is built specifically for the MPU5, the 152, or the Embedder, and it's got a few features that are worth pointing out here. It's got adjustable retention, so you can put the retention on the front of the pouch, low or high, and then you can put it on the back of the pouch as well. It comes with quite a bit of MOLLE, so you can run this on the back of the FCPC or the Slickster MOLLE base, as well as the Wingthing, which is how we like to do it. You can run it on the 3AC Cummerbund as well. Additionally, it's got some nice adjustment here on the inside. It's got 2 adjustment wings, so it hugs your radio nicely. Kind of cinch it up like that. And it's got quite a bit of padding as well. As you know, these radios cost a bunch of money, so a little padding is pretty nice. Let's get this buttoned up here. Comes with a pull tab and the shock cord. It's pretty much good to go out of the box. Just loops down like that. And that's the Rad.io pocket.